National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Panola County in northeastern Texas, east central Rusk County in northeastern Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Hill, or 12 miles west of Carthage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, DeBary, Pine Hill, Miggett, Deadwood, Front and Fairplay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Panola and Rusk.